Welcome to our channel. If you've been locked out of your TSA login, follow these quick steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the TSA website. Locate the login page where you normally enter your credentials. Step 2. Look for the Forgot Password or Account Locked link below the login fields. Click on this option to begin the recovery process. Step 3. Enter the email address associated with your TSA account. Make sure it's the same email you used during registration. Step 4. Check your email inbox for a password reset link from TSA. This may take a few minutes to arrive, so be patient and check your spam folder if necessary. Step 5. Click the reset link in the email. This will redirect you to a secure page where you can create a new password. Step 6. Create a strong password that meets TSA's security requirements. Use a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Step 7. Confirm your new password by entering it again in the verification field. Step 8. Click Submit or Reset Password to complete the process. You should now be able to log in with your new credentials. Step 9. If the lockout persists, contact TSA customer support directly for additional assistance with your account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.